Good Wednesday evening, folks. I'm NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear. It looks like a little bit of messy weather is on tap for the province, mainly the island, as we head into our Wednesday night and the beginning part of Thursday. No watches or warnings are in place, but let's get right to the nitty-gritty details of the forecast. Futurecast will start us off tonight, 7 o'clock. You can see the low there just west of western Labrador. That low does begin to advance eastward as we begin to get toward midnight. By midnight, we are seeing some light to moderate snow across much of the west coast and the south coast, still holding off, however, on the Avalon Peninsula. By 6 o'clock in the morning, that low then dissipates and reforms across central and interior Newfoundland. By 6 o'clock in the morning, many areas across the island are seeing light to moderate snow. But notice south, and particularly southeast, we are seeing this rain-snow mix line working northward as winds are from the south, and that line is going to rapidly lift northward as we go into Thursday morning before the precipitation winds down by lunchtime as the low pulls away, and we're just left with some lingering showers or flurries by midday. Temperatures plummet, though, during the afternoon after early highs near freezing, back to -5 or -6 for many areas by 7 o'clock as winds turn westerly, northwesterly behind the departing low. Now, Futurecast across the eastern side of the island will actually do a pretty good job showing that rain-snow line lifting north. Notice by 5 o'clock in the morning, we are seeing that rain-snow line just across the extreme southwestern and southern Avalon Peninsula. As we jump ahead into 8 o'clock in the morning, that rain-snow line has lifted much farther north now. It looks like it's just south of St. John's, just south of Bay Roberts, onto the northern part of the Burin Peninsula, and just south of the south coast. But it does look like many of us are going to wake up to some snow tomorrow morning, so allow a bit of extra time for that commute. And then quickly, as we jump into 9, 10 o'clock, the low pulls away, and all the precipitation ends quickly by lunchtime, just some lingering flurries or showers by then. How much snow are we talking about overnight in Lab West? Not much across the island. We're talking roughly 5 to 10 centimeter snowfall from areas like Gander, Bonavista Peninsula, much of the Avalon, interior, southern, and southwestern Newfoundland. As we get up on the west coast, northern peninsula, much of central, it looks like a 2 to 5 centimeter or less event. So some of us will have to shovel, others probably not quite so much. Rainfall amounts, looks like extreme southern Avalon, 5 to 10 mils of rain, same thing for parts of the Burin Peninsula. But notice as we take a closer look in toward the northern Avalon, and again, I think this blue-green line is that the northern extent that the rain-snow line will make it. I think across the extreme northern Avalon, the metro, it ends as just some drizzle. Most of it falls as snow. Same thing for the Conception Bay North area. Temperatures overnight, minus single numbers. By tomorrow morning across the island, we actually rise overnight. In Labrador, skies clear out, minus 20s. Winds turn gusty as well overnight. And then for tomorrow, after some morning rain or snow or flurries, we see temperatures falling to -5 or -6 for much of the island by afternoon, close to -10 for the high in Labrador West. And really the entirety of Labrador tomorrow, colder in the north. Sunday, 2 a.m., we go back to daylight saving time, which is great news because we get later sunset, so more evening daylight, but always good to know that that's actually happening. And it's also a good time to change your smoke detector batteries when we go to daylight saving time or standard time because they probably last about that long. Have a great evening, stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow.